सीने में।
Yo, man. Oh, no, 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 no. Hey. क्या इतना बुरा?
Hey man. Yo, what's up?
What's up, Daddy?
Hey, would you like to sing? Oh, Womania, Womania.
That was good. That was racist to my culture.
What's up?
Can you play us a song?
Yeah, sure. You say this and I'll sing a song for you.
Pakistan ki
Sorry. Wait a minute.
One eternity later.
Sorry. You say this and I'll sing a song for you.
Jai Shri Ram.
Yes. Shri Ram Janaki
बैठे हैं मेरे सीने में श्री राम जानकी बैठे हैं मेरे सीने में।
मजा आया।
This hairstyle is called Tere Naam hairstyle in our country. It's
Play the guitar.
Oh, okay. I'll try. Na 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 और एक दीवाना था और एरिया 51 फिर तू शिकायत छोड़ कर आंधे पे सर जिंदगी. Oh hi, so is Trump winning this time?
I think Trump is gonna win this election.
Oh, then you are fucked again.
No, I think he's been doing something good for us.
Hey,
Where are you from?
I'm from the US. But yeah,
I'm from India.
there's a lot of people from India on here.
So is Trump winning this time?
I don't know. I hope not. Yeah.
अरे भैया कहाँ के हो? कहाँ के हो भैया? Hey, where are you from?
Michigan.
Would you like to sing with me?
Yeah, I prefer Nicki Minaj. Boy toy named Troy used to live in Detroit. They
I can dance.
was getting some points.
I'll rap in Hindi. Wait a second. तुझे बिठा के रखा था मैंने रानी सपनों पे. I forgot the lyrics by.
माँ की आँख.
क्या यार हनी सिंह के गाने नहीं याद अब. तुझे बिठा के रखा था मैंने रानी पलकों पे. I'll sing for you, but you have to say something for me, okay?
Jai Shri Ram.
जय श्री राम.
Jai Shri Ram.
तुझे बिठा के रखा था मैंने रानी पलकों पे. तूने मारी ठोकर समझी आ जाऊंगा सड़कों पे. ऐसा ना तो सोच रे गोरी. Everyday मेरी new love story.
Hey, what's up?
Would you like to sing?
Oh yeah.
श्री राम
Ram.
जानकी
Janaki
बैठे हैं
बैठी है
मेरे सीने में.
मेरे सीने में.
श्री राम
मेरे
जानकी
सीने में.
बैठे हैं. Bang with me, come on. मेरे सीने
Yeah,
में.
man. Yeah. I like your fucking vibe.
I'll play the original one for you.
I trust you.
जानकी बैठे हैं मेरे सीने में श्री राम जानकी बैठे हैं मेरे सीने में। You're handsome.
Thanks, man. Have you heard of Binod? I'm looking all over Omegle for him.
Binod? What's that?
In India now, everybody is a Binod. So like you can make Philippines also a Binod.
I'm Afghani, you know. I can speak Hindi.
हिंदी बोलते हो?
हाँ आती है मुझे। यार हम यहाँ पे लॉकडाउन में फंसे हुए हैं। मैं वीडियो देख रहा था तो डंडों के साथ मार रहे हैं। Bro, you know what it is? It's only killing old people.
Yeah.
It's a virus to just get rid of the old population.
इस प्रकार की बचकाना बातें.
Let's go, brother.
What are you lighting?
It's called the one. I'll show you an example real quick.
You know what weed is? Marijuana. So you put it right here, right?
Okay.
In a little hole right there. You just sit here and pack that shit.
It's smoke in my eyes. It's smoke in his eyes. Yes, there's smoke in my eyes. Jig.
You look like Sohail Khan, bro. Hello, brother. Brother. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ शेयर भी करना. बहुत मेहनत से बनाया है वीडियो, और अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो करो ना. थैंक यू सो मच. मिलते हैं अगली बार. बाय.